Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly. And remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. Look at this bright white space, friends. It is so quiet and empty, like a brand new page waiting for a giggle. Something cheerful is about to appear here. But first, we take a tiny breath, wiggle our fingers, and get ready for a magical drawing adventure. A funny little shape pops onto the page. It looks like the top of a tall hat, leaning as if it just danced into the room. Oops-a-daisy, the hat seems to say. I am not finished yet, but I already feel fancy.
Wow!
Now the hat gets a brim and a tiny buckle. The buckle shines like a little square of sunshine. This is no ordinary hat. It looks like a lucky celebration hat, ready for music, clapping, and maybe a silly parade across the page.
Yay!
A round head begins to appear under the hat, with a sweet little snout stretching to the side. Our new friend is arriving bit by bit. The hat sits proudly on top, almost whispering, "Hold on tight, little buddy. We are going somewhere wonderful." Eyes, cheeks, and a big smile join the drawing. Hooray! Our cheerful pig friend looks delighted, as if someone just told the funniest joke in the whole meadow. The tall hat tilts playfully, and the golden buckle says, "Sparkle, sparkle, lucky day." A little body appears beneath the smiling face. Now our pig friend can stand tall and proud, even with that wobbly fancy hat. A tiny curly tail peeks out behind, making the whole picture feel extra giggly and sweet.
Whee!
Arms and legs arrive with a bounce. Our pig friend stretches both arms wide, saying, "Ta-da! I am ready for fun." The tiny feet look ready to tap, tap, tap. Maybe there is music playing somewhere just outside the drawing.
Yes!
The body grows rounder and bigger, like a happy balloon filled with laughter. Our little friend looks cozy, brave, and excited. With a smile, a lucky hat, and a curly tail, this character is ready to find a wonderful surprise.
Yes!
Curvy lines sweep across the page like bridges in the sky. One arc, then another, then another. It is the start of a rainbow. The rainbow is still plain, but it already feels magical, like a road made for dreams.
Okay.
More rainbow stripes appear, each one hugging the next. The lines bend gently from side to side, making a big, smiling rainbow shape. It looks like the page is building a colorful stage for our cheerful pig friend to visit.
Wow!
Even more rainbow bands join in, one after another, like happy friends standing in a row. The rainbow grows thicker and brighter in our imagination. It seems to say, "Come climb aboard. There is room for laughter up here."
Yes!
Two clovers bloom at the ends of the rainbow. Their petals look soft and round, like little green pillows waiting for color. They guard the rainbow like lucky flower friends, smiling quietly and saving a special place for magic.
Wow!
The rainbow and clovers are now strong and ready, with every stripe carefully drawn. The lucky clovers sit on both sides like cheerful bookends. "Where is our pig friend?" the rainbow asks. "We have the perfect spot right at the top."
Yes!
There goes our pig friend, standing right on the rainbow. What a funny and brave place to stand. The tiny legs balance on the curvy stripes, the little arms open wide, and the tall hat rides along like a proud parade flag. The picture gets cleaner and more complete. Our pig friend smiles from the rainbow bridge, with lucky clovers below and the fancy hat above. Everything looks ready for the final burst of color. Can you feel the excitement growing?
Yay!
Wow! The rainbow shines with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The clovers turn bright green, the hat becomes festive, and our pink pig friend beams with joy. It is a lucky, colorful, giggle-filled ending to a magical drawing day.